Here is how to manage accounts payable in Wave step by step. Start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu. This is where you will move into the Bills area, which is where payables are tracked. Click Purchases and then select Bills. That opens the section where you can create and review bills tied to vendors and due dates. When you are on the Bills page, click Create a Bill. This opens a new bill form where you can enter the details for what your business owes. Begin with the vendor field and select the correct vendor for the bill. Then enter the bill date, which is the date shown on the bill itself. After that, enter the due date so Wave can track when payment is expected. Add the bill number as it appears on the document. Make sure these details match the bill you are recording, since they help with tracking and future review. Next, move down to the line item section. This is where you add the expense details connected to the bill. Choose the expense category that best matches what the bill is for. This affects how the expense is recorded in your books, so select the category carefully before continuing. Enter a short description to identify the item or service. Then fill in the quantity and the price. If tax applies, add the appropriate tax as well. These fields work together to build the total amount owed on the bill. Take a moment to review the information you entered. Confirm that the vendor, dates, bill number, category, description, quantity, price, and tax all reflect the actual bill. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the bill. Saving the bill adds it to your records and includes it in your accounts payable balance, which means Wave will now treat it as money your business still owes. When you are ready to pay that bill, return to the Bills section and open the bill you saved. Opening the bill brings up its details so you can update it with payment information. From there, record the payment. This step changes the bill status from unpaid to paid or updates it based on the amount entered if you are not paying the full balance at once. Recording the payment also adjusts your accounts payable balance so your records stay current. If you are entering multiple bills, repeat the same process for each one so every outstanding amount is tracked in the same place. The key point is that the bill is first saved as an amount owed and then later updated when payment is made. Your bill is now recorded in Wave, and your accounts payable balance is updated when the payment is entered.